Theatre personality Kanhailal passes away today at the age of 75 after battling with lung cancer. In a major political development, Haingang Assembly Constituency MLA Nongthongbam Biren quits primary membership of Congress Party, also resigns as MLA. BJP Manipur Pradesh submits memorandum to Governor Najma Habdullah accusing Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar for indulging in favoritism with regard to the MLA disqualification issue. And JCILPS Women's Wing members continue with their protest. Storms residents of Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo and Thangmaiban MLA K.H. Joykisan. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica bringing you the top stories. Noted theatre personality Haisnam Kanhailal passed away today at the age of 75. Haisnam Kanhailal died at his residence today. He was suffering from lung cancer. The medical treatment were provided by CJ Hospital, Langol at his residence. He founded Kalakshetra Manipur in 1969 and was also the director of the institute. He played a major role in the experimental theatre movement using the rich Manipuri traditional performing arts and culture. Some of his remarkable experiments that redefined the conventional theatrical expression were the Nupilal in 1978 and Sanjay Naha in 1979 with villagers of Umathil. He produced memorable pieces like Tamnalai in 1972, Kabui Ka Yoiba in 1973, Pebeti in 1975, Laigi Macha Singna in 1978, Memoirs of Africa in 1986, Migi Sarang in 1991, Karna in 1997, Draupadi in 2000, Dagghar of Tagore in 2006 and Uchek Lamaidong in 2008. Kanhailal received several awards like the State Award for Theatre, the Central Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1985, Natya Ratna in 1997 from the Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Sangeet Natak Academy Fellow 2011, Tanveer Award of Pune 2011. In December 2011, he was awarded the highest and most valued award, the Sangeet Natak Academy Ratna Award, Kamal Kumari National Award in 2011, Kalidas Saman in 2012-13. Meta Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015 and in 2004 he was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan in 2016. After receiving the news of his demise, a host of theatre personality and professional came to his residence, Meitei Langol, and condoled his demise. Floral tributes were paid to the late theatre artist. In a major political development, Nongthongbam Biren today resigned from primary membership of Congress Party. Earlier in the morning, Nongthongbam Biren, addressing media persons, said he has resigned as MLA of Haingang constituency. N. Biren was also the spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Party. Addressing media persons at his residence near Old Koirengai Airfield, N. Biren said the decision to resign from the Congress and from the primary membership of the party was taken after hectic deliberations with the people of his constituency. He further maintained that he entered politics not to spend time and to look after his children. N. Biren pointed out the inability of the government to solve the burning issues like inner-line permit system, known burial of 9 martyrs in Churachandpur and the public dissent following the release of 3 arrested NSC and IM cadres at Senapati. He blames the government of its inability and ineffectiveness in dealing various issues and said it has created rift between the people of Valley and Hills. The former minister said he will decide which political party to join as per the aspiration of the people of his constituency. Meanwhile, the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has accepted the resignation of Nongthongbam Biren.
Prajamayamna pamiba issues, Prajamayamna tauriba, khaliba, ningibadu, apapata tanaragamadu, samo equina fulfill the Unabu Demkina, ball lepserga MLA Jerisa. Madu Tawungam Dragade MLA Mugari, Kana Gadagi Haiba Agi. Wakhaltuma igi firi abama lakudagi ai kendagi lebiri bahalaman ai leibo well wizard mayam workers sing punama kullakanda aina khalis bulanbra sumbra aina khalakanda mayam changnu summe nang khalibudo koi nang bolaiba ki mayam gi praja gi kelmo tawnu thagat pani ado tawbangam dragadi ꯅꯪꯅ MLAꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯅꯣꯅꯤꯃꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ MLA ꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ.
BJP Manipur Pradesh today submitted memorandum to Governor Najma Heptullah accusing Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar of indulging in favoritism with regard to the MLA disqualification issue. Over 1,000 BJP workers today assembled at Khagempalli Huidrom Lekai to march towards Governor's house. The rallies were stopped by police personnel at Kaisampat Junction. Later, Thangmaiban Assembly Constituency MLA K.H. Joy Kisan, Thongju Assembly Constituency MLA T.H. Bishwajit and BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President M. Ashwini Kumar Nityai Pachutek went to Governor Bungalow to submit the memorandum. The three BJP leaders were later joined by BJP Election Management Committee Chairman T.H. Chauba. The four leaders submitted the memorandum to the governor, and after submitting the memorandum, the four BJP leaders informed media that the governor was out of station and the memorandum was received by Secretary of the Governor.
Speaker na thenga bada tha taruk hen na thengda ba mata yaudi hai jo hairi bani Supreme Court ki order na so adubo Manipur da jahi ani makhai henjala hauda haidok tarwa Congress na kana gada bana ne hata haidok pa Congress na kana roi do na namchan ba masi tawbigano masi constitution bu ngak tana chat da ba ya da ba akoi democratic country amani haibasi asini
Speaker amana phajaba role dus maina tawi na traga leba ki oina tawi haibdo mayek sing na tawrakanda election je fight tawning bagi wakalung da koina governor da koina sigumba nataba oidaba natraga manungda achumdaba lerise akoi ki house kaside na amana matungda lehogadaba assembly session kya da amadi member orkadaba kya da koina doubtful leitana bado clarification ama tawiyo na hai thamjaba nimsi
koi speaker na magi action ja thu bada lorokragadi akoina lagliba tarik tara ningtau kawan nimri akoi district wide amu akoi agitation changsan jagan speaker na masing magi tribunal la leriba casing haidok tribunal BJP Manipur Pradesh na hanba leitana changsan gan.
Systematic voters education and electoral participation SIGIF campaign kicked off for the first time in Bishnupur district today. Chief Electoral Office Additional CEO, Bishnupur DC, CI College Principal among others attended the opening function. The campaign is organized by District Election Office Bishnupur at CI College. R.K. Dinesh IAS, who attended the function as chief guest, said, "We do not have a competent government as people fail to elect the right candidate." JCILPS Women's Wing members today stormed the houses of Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo and Thangmaiban MLA K.H. Joy Kisan. JCILPS Women's Wing stormed the residences of MLAs as part of their protest demanding stand for the MLAs on the inner line permit system issue. JCILPS launched their protest yesterday. Both the MLAs were not present at their respective residences. The JCILPS Women's Wing member informed the family of the MLAs to present their stand on the ILPS. JCILPS Women's Wing convener T.H. Apabi demanded the authorities to introduce the bill in the assembly very soon. He said they will continue their protest until the bill is introduced.
Akoi India ki mayok ta sulaite taseng na akoi na sanghili ba khongjang chidi ipa ipuna akoi gi sana pathap Manipur gi yelong mi kanjanang bidam ta thambiram ba lodo ILP system do adu da akoi gi munne lokthok ki badu piu hai bagi demand dani mase pithi bagi state koni maki country khojing maki sana dana leba wafam ne aduna akoi gi su mase gi phangbam thok ba hak se right to life our people akoi mase samsana phangdri ba sangchang ni hai ba phirep sine akoi na silai jari se
Sagolban Assembly Constituency MLA R.K. Imo, who is also the General Secretary of Congress Party, stated that the resignation of Haingang Assembly Constituency MLA Nongthongbam Biren from being an MLA and primary membership of Congress is a big loss for the party. Speaking at the inauguration of kitchen at the Kalimai Mandir complex, Moirang Khom, R.K. Imo said the party will be strengthened along with the Trinamool Congress MLAs who joined the party. He said MLA and Biren must have resigned due to the unresolved issues facing the state.
Atai MLA tokpagi wafam sidi ujik yamna premature oigani di it'll be his personal wish ujiki oina di party manungda kaisu leite uji akhoi MLA nifuga nipan le amri nifu tare leire mari ama mukchang pa yankhai matoi leibanina yankhai matoi sida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯩꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜꯗ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭री ꯀꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯇ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯋꯤꯜ ꯍꯦꯞ ꯇꯨ ꯒꯣ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯏꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ
MLA Biren, who quit Congress and as an MLA is likely to join BJP Manipur Pradesh within a few days, according to a reliable source. The source further reveals that many Congress MLAs and those who fought election on Congress tickets might join the party within this month. Deputy Speaker MK Presho Simre, MLA Francis Ngajokpa, Nimcha Kipgen, W. Brezabidhu, KH Devendro, DD Thaise, Dr. K.H. Lokin are likely to join the BJP fold. Efforts to join the party formally has been already completed. Aspiring candidates of BJP in all districts will meet with party president, general secretary and 2 BJP legislatures from tomorrow onwards. Education and Transport Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar today blamed the NDA government of taking credit of schemes undertaken by the UPA government by changing the name of the schemes. He made this remark during the opening ceremonies of Mayang Imphal District Congress Committee, Mayang Imphal Block Mahila Congress Committee and Mayang Imphal Youth Congress Committee. He also accused the NDA government of not doing any work on the Look is Policy scheme apart from just renaming it into Act is Policy. Addressing the gathering, Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar said BJP won the last parliamentary election by spreading propaganda. But after 2 years, the public has realized all the lies and mistakes propagated by the BJP. He said BJP has not undertaken any major work for the welfare of the people of Manipur. BJP-led NDA government has not only scrapped special status given by UPA government, but also cancelled many projects taken up by the UPA government for small and poor states like Manipur. The event was also attended by Mahila Congress Committee Manipur President Kumari L. Tilotama, District Congress Committee Imphal West President Ningthauzam Nilamani and Mayang Imphal Block Congress President Thokjom Rajmohan.
Congress की कोई हाइजिन बसे कोई तौदे अकोई दी असेंग बद युम्फम बोइबा फैक्ट एंड फिगर दा अकोई युम्फम बोइबा बीजेपी की दी हाइजिन बसिना मकोई की थबक कोई मसे ममांगी लोकसभा दा कागरी सुजु मोई हाइजिन लगा कागिबन मणिपुर की इंटरेस्ट का तौबो वर्गी दी फाइयबा इशू में तौबो वर्गी फाइयबा कैंडिडेट अमा चंगन ब यारोय हाइदना कांसी खिंगी सिबु करम मफम द चनगे करम लेबाक द चनगे मसिबु इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दे यावबरा कांसी खिंगोयना इंडिया की लॉ दे यावबरा नतगा बीजेपी की मैनिफेस्टो दे यावबजाला
Myanmar immigration gate has been closed since 4 days following the IED explosion that occurred on the night of 2nd October. On the other hand, business are continuing in the Nampalong market despite the closure of the Myanmar immigration gate as buyers and sellers are using small passage on border pillars 79 and 78. Authorities of both the countries are not stopping the traders from doing their daily business. A girl was found dead in a mysterious condition in a pond at Sanjengbung Khongnangkhong Manak under Waikhong police station this morning. The girl is identified as 19 years old Yumnam Rosie, daughter of late Y Ibomcha of Langmaidong Mamang Makhalikai. She lodged with Khwairangpam Punsiba, 18 years, from Pumlain Yangbi in March this year. She was presently living at Yangdong Maning Lekai. A team of Forensic Science Laboratory and Waikhong Police has inspected the spot and found her clothes tied on her neck. It is suspected that someone might have killed her. A case has been registered by Waikhong Police. A cycle rally was held under the theme Ride to Vote, Bright Nation today. The rally was organized by Committee on Voting for a Change CVC and flag off from Thao Ground, Thambiban. Assistant Chief Election Officer N. Angangjao, Telegraph's senior correspondent Kelen Thokchom, Panthoibi Housing Finance Corporation Managing Director T.H. Hemo were present at the flagging off ceremony. CVC convener Thongam Zingo appealed the citizens to cast their vote to a right candidate who can bring development and welfare for the state. He appealed for cooperation from the public for a free and fair election.
leibak ningba saba singsi khoi tat ki wahaida thuba se tokpa chawnga chapi lising chapi gi damak te isha madi ramdam bu yon ba tokpa khoi vote phangnab gi damak tamayai ka ba polam ka amanum sinaraga inkhalakliba mahiroi naharol kya gi punsi manghalakliba se masi pungning thoga taba madi masi gi mayok ta lepa adagi khoi ai gi sagai ai gi kanglup ai gi furup haiba tongan mo wakhal ji da yumpham orga mihut khan da bai tare masi gi wakhal je thadok laga leibak ki damak ta phaba tawga da mihut khan ba loina loina na khoi leibak ki damak ta phaba tawroi da mihut sing da khoi hanjan hanjan vote thada bagi mohta khoi na nota da namduna khoi nota campaign ji yam manung chane yaujari nota da namduna khoi makhoi da yaning da utpa adu garoi bada isha isha mangna election se khoi free and fair oina ba thodang lomina ba habsna khoi na thamjari pandam je.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Registration Hauzare MCS 2016 की वाइवा बोसी की दमक मॉक इंटरव्यू याउबा स्पेशल इंटरव्यू कोचिंग की registration Hauzare October 9 दगी 13 फाउबा अयु की पुंग 3 तगी अमा फाउबा एक्सपर्ट सिंगना इंटरव्यू टिप्स पिगनी लोइना मेंस माइ पाकलाबा कैंडिडेट सिंगा इंटरेक्शन सु पांगथोकनी October 12 दगी 13 फाउबा अयु की पुंग 9 दगी अमा फाउबा मॉक इंटरव्यू पांगथोकनी ngasi mal register tawbi horo registration की दमक proactive academy of competitive examinations Kwakaitel Imphal the contact tawbiu Ningo Jacob na lakbada imoy nungari na lamda masig miyam da mahaw lay bangari panghanjari imoy nungari na puthok cha bangari kudima hygienic oy ngari asi yam na lunan bu fimam da semje bani gram cham amasung chani yang khai ngari ke packet sing dukan khuding mag da fangbiragani retailer oy ningba sing su contact to biba yagani khoi ge address ti imoy nungari sagoban tera sapam lerak Imphal
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba kok chikpa tang chikpa amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6 October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. An awareness program on the topic Formation of SHG Baseline Survey Diagnostic Survey was held at Kairao Bitra Mayai Lekai today. The program was jointly organized by Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicraft Artisans CS Limited. The program was conducted exclusively for Kairao Bitra block level handloom clusters. Speaking on the occasion, social worker M.I. Khan said he extended financial assistance for the formation of 145 self-help groups without interest since 2012 for the economic empowerment of women. President of Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicraft Artisans CS Limited, M. Satyabhama said under the Ministry of Handlooms, weavers from very poor families were provided with financial assistance for handloom schemes. She also urged to improve economic condition of the state handloom and handicraft. Safer Access, a workshop organized by Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch under the aegis of International Committee of Red Cross concluded today at Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch office, MG Avenue. 4 experts, 3 from International Committee of the Red Cross and 1 from International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent took part as experts, while 31 members from 6 districts took part in the workshop. Director of Treasuries and Accounts announced vacancies of Junior Accounts Assistant and Grade 4 post in Directorate of Treasuries and Accounts. It also informs that applicants should submit their forms with necessary documents before October 20 at the Office of Director, Treasuries and Accounts at DC Complex, Lamphilpath. A sit-in was staged by students and research scholars of Anthropology Department, Manipur University in protest against the ransacking of HOD of the Anthropology Department by unknown miscreants. The sit-in was staged in front of the department. It may be recalled that unknown miscreants have burned and ransacked quarter of HOPD of Anthropology Department on 3rd October after breaking the lock. Placards denouncing violence in the university and need for making the university violence-free zone were also used in the protest. Manipur University Research Club in a press note stated that the research scholars of Manipur University held a meeting today in connection with the prevailing situation in the university. The meeting urged the concerned authority and protesting parties to revoke the total shutdown and resume classes at the earliest. The meeting also appealed to the Academic Council to hand over the admission matter to higher authority if the Academic Council meeting scheduled on the 8th of this month is unable to resolve the matter. It also condemned the burning of the recreation hall on the 3rd of October. Students of DM College of Arts will build boys' common room by themselves if the government fails to start construction of the boys' common room for DM College of Arts in 3 days. Boys' Common Room Secretary Salam Henajid stated that the college is 70 years old and there is no boys' common room and the girls' common room is being utilized for their activities. In the past, there were requests made by the old students of the college for a boys' common room. However, no actions have been taken so far. Henajid further stated that ever since he was appointed as the secretary, he has requested Director Education U, but they were told that Education Minister has not given his approval. COSAM in a press release informs that elective Manipuri textbook in class 12 Ariba Manipur Sahitya Gi Itihas written by N. Khelchandra will be replaced by Manipur Sahitya Gi Itihas published by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur from the academic session 2016-17. The textbook will also be available from the council office at 300 rupees. Sector Headquarter BSF CI operations located at Korengai today organized a cleanliness drive at Komalampak Sports Complex. The drive was held in view of the BSF Martyrs Mini Marathon to be held on October 21. The Mini Marathon can be participated by students of class 8, 9 and 10. Attending the drive, Youth Affairs and Sports Department Director Dr. Harmit Singh Pahuja said the objective of the drive is to keep the sports complex neat and clean. The entry forms will be available at BSF Korengai, BSF Loktak, BSF Churachandpur, BSF High Court Complex and Youth Affairs and Sports Kumalampak from October 8. General Secretary of MPCCI R.K. Rani Sana distributed water tanks to women vendors of New Quaramban Imma Kaithel, constructed behind Johnstone Higher Secondary School and Kaithel No. 1. Speaking in connection with this distribution, she assured the women vendors that the government is trying to solve the problems faced by vendors within a short period. In sports, Manipur hockey team left Imphal to participate in the 23rd Under-17 Girls JN Hockey Tournament today. The tournament will be held from October 10 to 18 at Sivaji Hockey Stadium, New Delhi. The team comprises 16 girls, team manager N. Somo Bala and team coach T.H. Sanatombi. Flagging off the team, Youth Affairs and Sports Department Director Dr. Harmit Singh Pahuja wished the team of all success. In a match of the 3rd Imphal West District Division Football League tournament played today, Taning Development Club Mayang Langzing defeated USC Kodompokpi 4-2. Ronnie Kanta netted 2 goals while Anthony and Manglemba netted 1 goal each for the winners. In another match, Sun Club Mongsangai defeated YUC Irom Maizrao 2-1. Manipur University women's team have won the title for East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2016-17 held at Dibrugarh University, Assam. MU beat Utkal University Orissa by 4 goals to 1 in the final match played today. S. Rina Roy scored 4 goals while T.H. Umabati scored 1 goal to clinch the title. The first state-level sub-junior swimming competition 2016 will begin from the 8th of this month at Modern College Swimming Pool. The competition, organized by Modern College Swimming Development Committee under the aegis of Manipur Swimming Association, will be held in 3 age groups, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Speaking to media persons, Modern College Swimming Pool Chief Coach Tensubam Thauba appealed not to call for any ban in the 2 days of the competition. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Noted theatre personality Haisnam Kanhailan passes away today at the age of 75 after battling with lung cancer. In a major political development, Hengang Assembly Constituency MLA Nongthongbam Birain quits primary membership of Congress Party, also resigns as MLA. BJP Manipur Pradesh submits memorandum to Governor Najma Heptullah accusing Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar for indulging in favoritism with regard to the MLA disqualification issue. And JCILPS Women's Wing members continue with their protest storms residences of Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo and Thammaban MLA T.H. K.H. Joy Kisan.